So yeah, the 125 was a lot of fun. Just looking at what else we got, there's only two 1290s that are not running. Everything is empty. The adventure guys are already gone. There's a 890, 790 older model over there. The BMW GS guys are on the adventure motorcycles. So we only got two 1290s left. We got the orange one and we got the blue one. Yeah, you know, going from a 125 to a 1290, you will only see that in a video like this. Yeah, buddy. Anyway, we're just gonna get on a 1290 and we're gonna have some fun on the 1290. I gotta be really careful because I do not have my motorcycle boots or my motorcycle riding gear on. So we're gonna be a little bit careful with this one, okay? A little bit careful. Also not going to be turning off the ABS. On a normal occasion I would turn off the ABS and the MTC and pop some wheelies. But with this riding gear, with my normal shoes on, yeah, this is not a 125. This is not a 125 cc's, you know. And we got cold tires. We have a cold road, cold tires, cold road, 180 horsepower. I mean, yeah, I've got a lot of wheel spin. This is not your average motorcycle. This is one of the fastest naked bikes in the game. And we're riding Indian roads again. God dang it! Oh, this is not comfortable. Anyway, let's get to some better roads and let's have some fun on the 1290. Jesus. Let's get to some better roads and let's have some fun on the 1290. Jesus, god dang it. Oh man, I gotta be careful with these speeds because I'm used to full throttling the 390 and the 125. Now I'm on the 1290, the beast. So yeah, gotta be a bit careful with this machine because this is not an easy toy to play with. This is like 2022, 2023 KTM Superduke 1290 R. God dang, this thing is a freaking monster. Oh, a little wheel spin. Yeah, that's what I mean. This thing will rocket you to 200 or 300 kilometers an hour. In the naked bike version, it is, oh sheesh, so fast, so much fun. Now most of you guys already know about the 1290, so it's not, I own a lot of 1290s, so there's not much to tell about this thing besides if you want a really fun naked bike that is smooth, that is fast, that will give you speed bumps, speeding tickets and goosebumps, not speed bumps, speeding tickets and goosebumps, Smokey, I suggest you really get on the 1290, or at least go and give it a try. That 2-cylinder LC8, that V-twin, the raw power and how smooth it is, it's absolutely ridiculous. And it's also so easy to ride. Easy to ride, ridiculously fun, ridiculously fun. And also you can just do this actually in 4th gear. Doesn't even need to go in like 3rd gear or 2nd gear. It does everything in 3rd and 4th. So god dang it. The front brake is a little bit on the downside, so somebody with huge fingers has been riding this. This is a little bit scary on the 125, the 390s. Wet road is not a problem. On the 1290 with 140 newton meters of torque and 180 horsepower, you gotta be just that little bit more careful. Take me home to a place I belong. Spa-Francorchamps, Mountain Taro, take me home. 1290 Superduke R. Country road, take me home. I mean, yeah, the road is silky smooth, wet, really dirty. They gotta be really careful. I got a lot of wheel spin. ABS is popping on and off, so yeah, it's a little bit scary here. Yeah, have to be a little bit careful. Again, we are back at the racetrack where I'm not invited. There's some race car thingy going on or whatnot. So yeah, anyway, do not look to the right when going to the left, Smokey. We are going this way. Oh jeez, I really want to turn off the MTC and the ABS and pop some wheelies on this thing, but as you guys can tell, wet road, not protective gear on. I mean, yeah, it's Superduke R is it's a beast made for disaster. This is a recipe made for disaster. No gear on, not my motorcycle. What the hell is going on over there? Yeah, I really have to be careful here. God dang it, this is an absolute monster. So yeah, the 1290, I can't say much about it. Superduke R, this is a 10 out of 10. This for me personally, yeah, this is a 10 out of 10. Absolutely in love with this motorcycle. But there was one main reason that I sold my 2 or 3 Superdukes that I had previously, is just because, well, they will kill me. At the end, they will actually kill me because they are that fast, that crazy. They will kill me. At one point, you really get used to the power, you really get used to the speed, you're popping wheelies everywhere you can, and yeah, it gets really dangerous really fast on a 1290 Superduke R. So that's where the Adventure R is a little bit better. It doesn't want you to ride really fast. The 1290, the faster and the more aggressively and sportier you start riding it, the more fun it becomes, like really. And that's what's actually makes it really dangerous. When you really start riding it like this, yeah, then it's, oh man, that engine, that noise, and it's got the stock exhaust. Put an acro on this monster and love it, love it, love it, love it. God dang it. Anyway, let's get back on oh man, so much fun, so much. Oh god dang it. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's like I just came. Like, it's really weird. It's really weird to tell you guys, but this is, oh man, cutting edge, cutting edge, cutting edge, cutting edge. I'm gonna enjoy this just a little bit more. But yeah, like I said, 10 out of 10 for me for the 1290 Superduke R. Oh Jesus. Traction control jumping on. This thing is just flying over these speed bumps, shooting to over 100 kilometers an hour in milliseconds. Oh yeah, goosebumps, thrills, lots of fun. Anyway, front wheel lifting, so smooth, so smooth. So yeah, can't say much about it. 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. Anyway, let's get back to the Indian Road and the camping lot, and let's see if we can try something else. More, god damn it, foreign roads. Yeah, this is the KTM adventure show, yo. We are going to do some adventure. Anyway, a little slip and slide here, and this gravel thingies with a Superduke R is just like, god dang it. Anyway, we are back at the show, KTM Freeride, and we're going to see what bike we can steal next. I really want to test the 890 Duke as well, actually, to be honest. We'll see what happens.